Hello, lovelies. This week I wrote a little bit of a controversial blog because one of the main ways as a dietitian that I help women is to release their stubborn weight. And I usually help women who have hit that stage in life where, they're over 40, hormones and life have collided and they are really struggling to release weight. And what I find is that they are usually following unintentionally a high-fat diet. Now, this is fine if you have chosen to follow keto or one of the high-fat, low-carb styles of releasing weight, but most women aren't. And so they come to me struggling to release weight, and when we have a look at their diet, they are eating high-fat, but they don't realize it. And this is because we've just had years, decades of dieting dogma. We've had all of the marketing messages. And the marketing messages over the last couple of years have been that we need healthy fat. Sure, we need healthy fat. But if you are not following keto or a high-fat, low-carb way of eating, the fat is going to be working against you. So you have to choose a side. You're either following keto and a high-fat, low-carb way of eating, or you're not. And because the way that these two diets help your body to release weight are totally different. And you can't mix and match. Mixing and matching these styles of the way that your body releases weight is going to end up with you feeling very frustrated with all of these attempts to release your weight. So I advise you to read my blog and do a fat audit. So if you're not following one of the high-fat keto styles of eating, then have a look at what you are eating. And if you find that even though it's a lot of healthy fats, it's still a lot, then you might want to cut back on that and see if that helps your body release weight. Anyway, I hope that helps, and maybe I'll see some of you soon.